Hey guys, here we are, day 2. Don't even know what day 1 is going to look like yet, but I'm already talking about day 2. So a few things we're going to do today is, number 1, this recording, I'm going to go over how to access your Outlook 365 and getting more proficient with your email. This is going to be something we're going to be doing all year, so the sooner the better that we can get a better handle on how to use it. This is going to be a great professional skill that we're working on. So, where I am right now is KDISD, kdisd.org. So a lot of you guys have accessed this before, but what you'll go to is my KD login. And then you will go here to my KD Cloud. And you'll have to obviously enter your username and password. And then it'll bring you to your My KD Cloud home screen. So these are all my tiles that I use regularly, and what you are looking for is either Office 365, or you can type in 365, and you'll click on that tile. And it should prompt you, that was fast. Stay signed in. So this is what your screen should look like. So what you have access to as a KDISD student are all of these Microsoft apps. I'm not even sure. Forms, Sway. It's very similar to Google, but what we're looking for is here, Outlook. So what you need to get in the habit of is clicking on this, and so that's how you access your Outlook email. It's going to be very important to use this communication with me, and then going forward professionally, and as you transition to high school, this is the expected way of communication through Outlook. Okay, I'm going to stop this video now, and we're going to talk about another action item going forward.